Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trade with Guru. My name is Guru Raj. Some of my friends, they were asking me to explain them what is money management and what is risk management. So I thought of making a video about money management and risk management today. Let us elaborate money management and risk management. What happens? Somebody wants to start trading. They have suppose 5 lakh rupees in their account. Okay, and somebody, some of their friends, they call, no, this particular stock is going up very well, you can invest here. So somebody is randomly investing 4 lakh rupees in that particular stock, and remaining 1 lakh they have invested in stock B. Suppose 4 lakh they have invested in stock A and 1 lakh rupees invested in stock B. This is an uneven distribution of your money. So the 4 lakh where they have invested, if that stock goes down by 1%, they are losing 4,000 rupees. And even if the stock where they have invested 1 lakh rupees, even if it goes up by 2%, they are only earning 2,000 rupees. Am I right? Is it? Am I right? Yes. So this way what happens, even though they are earning better returns in the stock B, but still their overall portfolio is negative, and which discourages in the beginning. There will be a sort of a discouragement in the beginning. So to avoid all this discouragement, to avoid all these issues, what we can do is we can divide our wealth or our portfolio in a not what I would like to say is in a very even way, even manner. Like you can buy each stock worth X amount. That X amount you can decide. Preferably, I will say that you can divide your portfolio in 10 parts or maximum to 15 parts. So you have 5 lakh rupees, you can divide, you can take each stock worth 35,000 to 50,000 maximum. So minimum is 30 to 35,000 and maximum is 50,000. So this way your wealth is distributed in your very even way. So out of, suppose you have purchased 10 stocks, and as per your own understanding, as per your own technical analysis, and as per your own knowledge about the market, you have distributed it in 10 stocks and you have purchased 10 stocks. Suppose your predictions or suppose your expectations are true, even 60%, even 6 stocks out of 10 are moving in your direction in a proper way, still you will see that your portfolio is growing, and the 4 stocks which are in negative zone are not dragging everything down, because your portfolio is distributed evenly. So this should happen. The first thing, the distribution should happen. And the next thing, what suppose I have 5 lakh rupees, I have opened my demat account, and immediately we need not invest all the 5 lakh on a single day. No need. You can keep the money in your funds, and you can start purchasing the stocks whenever you get it on a very good, either on a support or very good level. We can call it as a level instead of saying it as support. We'll call it as a level. Whenever you get it on a good level, you should buy it and hold it for some time. This way your money will be evenly distributed, and you will not feel the discouragement. You will feel very happy. Even if 1 or 2 your predictions are not going in your way, still you will feel happy for it. This is about the money management. Then comes the risk management. Now I have invested in 10 stocks, I have distributed my money evenly, done. What next? Now what next comes the risk management. What should be the risk I should be taking on a day-to-day basis, or what should be the things which I should avoid to reduce my risk. What are the things we should do to avoid my risk or to reduce my risk? So what I think is, let us consider you have 5 lakh rupees. Am I right? And you are investing 5 lakh rupees. On any given day, you should not lose more than 1% of your total capital. This is my point of view. Again, this is purely my point of view. So let us consider 5 lakh, 1% is 5,000. So on any given day, if you are losing more than 5,000, you should exit, you should close the system, and you should relax. Don't try to take a revenge with the market. Don't try to take revenge trades, or don't try to go fight with the market. If it is going up, don't take put. It is going down, don't take calls. Don't do all these things. Just relax, just quit, stop, sorry, not quit, just stop the trading for the day and wait and relax. You can start again fresh next day. So this way what will happen, even consecutive 10 days also, if you lose your capital 1%, at the end of the day it will be only 10% of your capital. But if you start taking a revenge, and if you can lose 10% in a single day, that should not happen. So this is what is a risk management. I'm saying 1% of your capital in a single day. one day I'm talking. Don't lose it in a one trade. So you should not take that much of a quantity or that much of a risk on in each trade. When I'm saying 1% every time, every trade, you should not have that much of a risk. Okay, so this way you can avoid the losses. This way you can be in the market for a longer time, and I'm sure people will agree with me that whenever you spend more time with the market, more time in the market, definitely it helps us to earn money, it helps us to grow. From all the aspects you will grow. So understand this, and if you need more details, more information about this, please ping me, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.